So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So let's see what GBP USD is going to be doing for us for the day. But first and foremost, those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's start with our trend on GBP USD. What can you say the trend is on our GBP USD? It is very clear that GBP USD is what? In a ranging market move. So you can clearly see that GBP USD is very much ranging. So at first, it's rallied to tap this resistance, right? Even thereby giving us a false breakout. The market corrected itself and dropped back to tap the support level, right? Market eventually ejected from this our support level. Guess what it did next? It eventually rallied up and came to tap our resistance. Then it ejected from the resistance and dropped back to tap our support level. Market eventually ejected from the support and came back to tap the resistance. Then ejected from the resistance and dropped back to tap our support. Now, market eventually ejected from the support and came back to tap the resistance. And we are currently at this resistance level. This is where we are right now. We are currently at this resistance level. So we will be expecting market to reject from this resistance level and drop to tap our support level. So this is to tell you that in the long run, we would be anticipating for a sell on GBP USD. So we should be expecting that GBP USD in the long run to drop to tap our support level. So with such a movement, that will be giving us, if I'm not wrong, between 280 pips. So we will be anticipating about 280 pips bearish move for the right. That is what we'll be expecting in the long run. So if you're a swing trader, going for the sell and hold your sell position. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. At first, market was able to drop, right? At first, market literally dropped, right? Then it pulled back to retest the same level. Markets eventually drop again to form a new low. This is the lower high, right? This is the lower high. Now, markets we should be dropping again. It is what's able to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low. So we will be expecting market to continue the drop till it is able to fully take out this low, thereby forming a new lower low. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on GBP USD, you would want to be going in for the same. So a bearish move is what you should be expecting on GBP USD. Now, could there be changes to this prediction? I'm just absolutely yes. But if there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on any updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Follow the Telegram also. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.